This is the Time Master Pro, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use it. You do need a conductive gel. I'm using the hydrating gel and my anti-X drops. You do not use oil with it. You use a conductive gel. I have plenty to choose from. You can choose one or you can get one on your own. Sometimes they come with it, so you get started right away using a conductive gel. I'm using it on I usually use a level 2 or a level 3. Then I do the flashing multicolor light. So that's the most powerful one. So it has red, green, blue. It has the light therapy that's going to help. It has electric muscle stimulation, ultrasound, and the light therapy. So I like to go along the nose, right on the side of the nose, dragging it all the way up, kind of cupping my cheeks, lifting all the way up to my eyebrows and to my temples. So this is going to help lift the cheeks up. So I do this a couple of times. I go close to the eyes, right underneath where the eyelashes are. You can go as close as you want. I mean, you're not going to go on your eyeballs, but you can go pretty close. And this really helps to reduce some of the lymph that causes some of the puffiness, the bags, and help to lift up your eyes. So this is really great. Lift up your cheeks all the way up. So this helps to lift your nasolabial fold, helps to lift the side of the mouth. So this is a really great move. So just go from that edge of the nose and drag all the way up. Then you can go from the corner of your mouth and drag all the way up. So if you notice, we're always going up. Except when you go around your mouth, you're going to go around because that muscle, it goes all the way around. And this will also help with the nasolabial fold and lifting the corner of your mouth. So it's so many different ways you can move around your face. You're just going to go up. I'm going right underneath on the jowls, right on the jawline, and again dragging it and going all the way up. You just want to go all the way up past the eyebrows or right up to the eyebrows. And I'm also going to do the back of my neck, like right by my ear. It's a really powerful area. You're going to feel it a lot. So it doesn't really hurt. You just get chills, but you feel it. It's pretty intense. But that's going to help lift your shoulders, which is also going to help lift your jawline and help with the middle of your neck, that droopiness that a lot of people get, that turkey neck. So this helps so much. So go right from the back behind the ear and just drag it all the way up. You can really feel this. Like this is so intense, but not pain. It doesn't hurt. You just feel it activating all these muscles. So you can't move these muscles with like face yoga and stuff. This is really working muscles that you can't even get to. And again, I'm going straight up. So this is really helping to lift up your face, give you a more lifted muscles on the cheeks, on the jowls, the lip area, the nasolabial fold, the corners of the mouth. Everything is lifted up. So you just keep going and just find out your groove, find out where you can do it, where you want to lift. It's going to be up to you too. You can watch this, follow along. You can do this right along with me, or you can watch the whole thing and then develop your own routine. So if you have to add more gel because you need it to slide good, as well as you need the conductiveness from the conductive gel. So a little bit of both. So I'm going to do the forehead, which on some people, it hurts a little bit because your muscles are so tense, they're so tight that this will help release it. It'll help release it. Sometimes it takes a while, so it might not do it on your first try. But when you do it, some people feel nothing on their forehead, and some people feel a lot. So this is going to help with the number 11s. It's going to help with any lines you have. It's a prime area for lines to form. And it's going to help lift up your eyebrows. So it's going to help lift up your eyebrows, which helps to lift up, kind of shape your eyes, give a more youthful look to your eyes. And you go straight up, go right in the middle, go straight up to all the way up to your forehead. I mean, up to the hairline. So just keep going up. And you will feel a difference. Like that middle part of your forehead is usually a very tense area. So if the more you go over it, the more it's going to release. So it's going to relax. So this you just go over. I go on a diagonal also. And when you feel it, you know where to go. You can feel the tightness. You can feel the stress points. And as you go across it, you're really smoothing it out. So you're activating the muscles, but also releasing a lot of stress, a lot of tension. I go right over my eyebrows. This is really going to help lift up your eyes, lift up the corners of your eyes, give a more youthful kind of lifted eye. So this is a really, and keep moving it up. And you can go up to the other levels. Like some people have to start at level 1. Some people can start at level 2 or level 3. Some people can make it up to level 4. I actually have not gone up to level 4 yet. It's pretty intense. So you just keep going, and it's lifting like each area individually. So as you keep moving along, you're going to get your whole face lifted. So it's a really great tool, very easy, it's very light, so you're not going to get a cramp in your wrist and your hand. And remember, just always kind of scoop up and go all the way up. Go up to the temple, up to the hairline, and you are going to go cup from underneath on the chin and scoop all the way up. That's going to really lift up, help to lift up your jowls. Lifting up your cheeks helps to lift your jowls. So the more you do this, the more you're going to help to lift your cheeks, help to lift your jawline, and help to just lift the whole side of your face, which is going to help give you a stronger muscle. So this is really great to use. You can do this once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. You don't want to do it more than that. You can do it for, it has a 5-minute timer on it. So I usually do one side of the face and then do the other side for the other 5 minutes. But you can do up to like 12, 15 minutes. So this video is about 12 minutes long, but you got to give and take because you have to add the gel more. Going underneath the chin, great for anybody who has a double chin or the beginnings of that turkey neck. You can't go on the thyroid, you can't go lower, but you can definitely go up underneath the chin like I'm doing there and just scooping it up. Just doing underneath and scooping it up, that is definitely going to help. So if you use this as a cumulative results, and there's instant results. So you can see the results right away, but the more you do it, the more the results are going to be and the longer they're going to last. So that's why a lot of people ask, how long does it last? It really depends. It depends on what area you're doing. Going around the mouth like that is key. That's going to help plump your lips, but it's also going to help to lift the corners of the mouth and help with the nasolabial fold. So that is a key move. And you have a lot of fascia right underneath where the nose is, the nostrils, connecting to the lip. Releasing that and getting that to really relax and release is really going to help with the nasolabial fold and lifting the mouth. Now I'm doing the other side with the neck. This is intense, and it gives me chills. It doesn't hurt. The forehead, I feel more. The forehead it doesn't hurt, but you feel it more, that tension. But over here, you can feel the muscles move. You feel them, and it gives me chills because it's going like almost on the back of my neck. You can feel it. It really kind of activates all those muscles, which in turn is going to help with the shoulders, help to move them back more, which is going to help lift and help with your jowls, help with the sides of your face, and help with that middle neck area. So strengthening that area is key. So you can do this. You do feel it. I'm probably going to do another video where I can focus more on that area, but adding it into your little 12-minute routine, 15-minute routine is great. Just do this as much as you can. It's so easy to do. It doesn't take that long, and you get results. It really helps to lift, and it feels great. It really energizes your face. It energizes your face. It helps to lift. You get results right away, and you get long-lasting results the more you use it. So I'm super excited that this is back in stock. You can get yours. I usually have 1 or 2 in stock. If not, it takes me about a week to get. So all you need is the conductive gel. Sometimes it comes with it, but you can always order it. I have it to order, and you can also get aloe vera gel and kind of add the antiox gels. You can add some peptides to it, whatever you want to do. So it's up to you. You can also watch this and do it while I'm doing it, or you can watch the entire thing and make your own routine. But don't be afraid. A lot of people are like, oh, I think I'm going to do it wrong. As long as you lift up, like here, I'm going right in that area, right by the corner of the eyebrow and lifting. That's going to help lift your eyebrows so much. So this is going to help lift your eyebrows, and it helps to release a lot of that tension. That's where people have that number 11. That's where it starts. So by doing this, it's preventative. So I think this is more preventative than people that say Botox is preventative, but that's another story. But this really helps to lift. All you have to do it once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. And remember, if you can't come to me for a facial, you can do this once a month at least and still get great results. So get the Time Master Pro now.